When is it time to switch your car accident lawyer? To be honest, if you even think about switching your car accident lawyer, that is the time. Hi, my name is Garrick McFadden, and I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer. I routinely review and talk to clients who are represented by many of the billboard, advertising, TV commercial law mills out here in Arizona. They reach out to me because something in their spirit is telling them something's not right. And I don't take all those cases. I guide people through the process. I tell them, sadly, unfortunately, that because you hired this law firm and they've messed up your case so much, you got to see it through with them. You're going to have to see it through with them. And I think that is what the situation is. I recently had a client come to me from one of the OG billboard advertising lawyers here, law firms here in Arizona. And this person was concussed when they signed up with this law firm. They knew something wasn't right because they sent this person off to a chiropractor. And at the chiropractor was basically engaging in what she felt was sexual harassment. He was manipulating her spine in a way, or body in a way that didn't seem medical or chiropractic. Further, he went into her records and got her personal phone number so he could add her on social media. Even more so, she reached out to that law firm to say, hey, can you do something? Can you help me? This is not right. They listened to the attorney. The attorney listened to her, charged her what amounts to be, for 18 minutes, charged her what amounted to be $200. And guess what? The attorney did nothing. He absolutely did nothing, like a little coward. And so she fired this law firm and came to me via one of our mutual friends. And after she had left, all the letters were sent out. After she left, that same chiropractor reached out to her a week later and texted her and was like, I miss you. What's going on? She sends this to me. I'm a man. I call up the chiropractic facility and I go after the owner and I start talking to the owner. And that is how I know that this is the first time the owner had ever heard about this, because that lawyer from that advertising law firm did absolutely nothing to protect this woman and protect his client. That's disgraceful. And she knew it was time to go. And to be fair to the owner of this chiropractic facility, he was a decent individual, a decent man. And what I was saying was hard for him to hear about his friend that he's known for a decade. But you can also hear in their voice that this was the first time he had ever heard about this. But he started putting two and two together about past behavior that seemed a little untoward. And he was like, oh, I'm going to make sure that he never bothers this woman again. If your law firm won't even protect you from a predator or an alleged predator, how are they going to fight an insurance company? If you want a second opinion about your case, give me a call. I'm Garrick McFadden.